Hello, it's CocoMoco Kids and we come to you with our new soap making party kit. Let's unbox it and see what's inside. First, you'll see an instruction manual. It'll teach you how to make your own soap, which we will be making today in this video. In the back of the instruction manual, you'll see the history of soap and you will learn about hygiene. Next, you will receive gloves so you don't get soap all over your hands. We also provide you with the silicone mold with the shapes
square, oval, circle, heart.
So smart.
You will receive two options of soap bases, one cloudy soap base and one clear soap base. Also receive two of these silver boxes. Inside these boxes, you will find some glitters, a stirring stick, as well as some rose petals. In the other box, you should receive some colors and a fragrance. Now that we have laid out all our supplies, let's start making soap, Chiku.
Yeah.
Okay, so first, to make soap, we're gonna use our instruction manual. Make your own soap, the guidebook. Step number 1 says you need to take a portion of the glycerin shavings from the box and melt it in the microwave for not more than 15 to 30 seconds. There is no specific measurements required. So that means we could use as much soap base as we want. Chiku, which soap base do you want to make? Do you want the clear one, the cloudy one, or both?
Both.
Okay, can you please take 2 pieces out and put it in the glass bowls? Can you take 2 of the clear soap base out and put it into the other bowl?
This one?
No, the glass one. Good job. We need to melt our soap base for 15 to 30 seconds. Let's do it! Done with making the melted soap base, right, Chiku?
Yeah.
Now the next instruction is add a few drops of color and fragrance to the melted glycerin. So we could choose the colors and put it in our soap bases. Put the colors into our melted soap base. You want which color?
Yellow.
Yellow? Which one? Which soap base?
Why? Ah!
Clear.
Clear? Okay. Now can you please mix it? The soap bases have hardened, but that's okay. But what color do you want to add to the cloudy soap base?
Green.
Green? Okay, let's do that. You could also mix colors like yellow and the red-pink to make orange.
Rose petals.
Rose petals? Okay. Some onto the mold. Good job. That looks like enough of the soap base. So we could let the rest cool down. Remember, this is very hot and you should ask for parent guidance before doing it. Right, Chiku?
Yeah.
Let's pour the green. Oopsie.
What?
Just enough. Now we have to let our green and yellow soap set for approximately 1 hour, which is 60 minutes. We'll be back in 1 hour with our setup cleaned and our soaps ready to show y'all.
A few moments later.
Welcome back. It's been a little bit more than an hour because we got a little lazy.
Because we sleep.
Yeah, but it's the morning and today we are gonna take out our soaps out of the mold and test them out. So let's get started, Chiku.
Yeah.
Yeah. Take them out?
Yeah.
So as you can see, these silicone molds are really easy to use and take out. Over here, a little bit of glitter got out, but it's fine. It looks like mint chocolate ice cream.
Yeah. Looks like green one.
Yeah, mint. And then the other soap, the clear base and the cloudy base. As you can see, the clear base has more of a see-through consistency, while the cloudy base has more of a colored and pastel consistency, if you get what I mean. Now let's try out our soaps in the bathroom.
To the bathroom.
We're in the bathroom, and as you can see, our soap holder is out of soap, so the soap is going to be helpful, and we're going to test it out to see if it works or not. We're going to be using the yellow soap first because it's your favorite.
Yeah.
So, turn on the tap and wash your hands. Now I'm going to be testing out the heart-shaped soap. So,
Is it fluffy or what? Did you see those? Did shoes almost fixing?
Chico, did you like the soaps?
Yes.
Did they work well?
Yeah.
Did you have fun making it?
Yeah.
So would you tell people to buy it?
Yeah.
Go buy it at CocoMocoKids.com.